Welcome. This is your time to relax and recharge. Tonight, you will drift into deep, peaceful sleep, while your mind and body absorb positive energy, calmness, and balance. There is nothing you need to do, no thoughts to chase, just allow yourself to rest. Simply listen and let these affirmations guide you gently into a night of complete relaxation. Sleep easily, sleep deeply, and awaken feeling refreshed and renewed. Get comfortable now, allow your body to rest fully into the surface beneath you. There is nothing you need to do, nothing you need to think about. This time is for rest. Take a slow breath in through your nose and gently exhale through your mouth. With each breath, your body becomes heavier, your muscles soften, your mind begins to slow. As you listen, you do not need to concentrate. These words are designed to gently reach your subconscious mind while you drift into deep, peaceful sleep. You are safe to relax. You are safe to let go. Now, allow these affirmations to flow gently through you. I am calm. I am relaxed. I am at peace. My body knows how to rest. My mind knows how to quiet itself. With every breath, tension melts away. With every exhale, I sink deeper into comfort. I release the events of today. There is nothing left to hold on to. I allow my thoughts to slow down naturally. I do not follow them. I simply let them drift away. I am surrounded by calm, supportive energy. I feel grounded and protected. As I sleep, positive energy flows gently through my mind. My subconscious absorbs calmness, balance, and clarity. I am safe. I am supported. I am at ease. My breathing becomes slow and steady. My heartbeat is calm and regular. With every moment, my body moves deeper into rest. I release stress. I release worry. I release anything that no longer serves me. Sleep comes easily to me. Rest feels natural. As I sleep, my mind resets, my energy restores itself effortlessly. I wake feeling refreshed, balanced, and clear. There is no need to hurry. There is no need to control. Everything is unfolding exactly as it should. I trust life. I trust this moment. I allow sleep to take over now. With each breath, you drift deeper and deeper into peaceful rest. The sound of this voice continues softly in the background, guiding your mind into deeper calm. You do not need to listen, you do not need to respond. Simply sleep and allow positive energy to work gently within you. Rest now.